Welcome, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Remember, this coin, as of last 4 weeks, Terra Classic token was trading with a market cap of over $1.2 billion. Though earlier last few months, Terra Classic market cap hit over $2 billion, and today Terra Classic have really dropped, even though the 1.2% tax bond has been introduced, and yet people believe that that would have helped Terra Classic to really increase. But we all see that this 1.2% tax bond is not really even pushing Terra Classic price, but that doesn't mean that will not help Terra Classic in the future, and I still believe, of course, Terra Classic is going to definitely increase in price. Now, about $520 million has been taken out of Terra Classic market cap within the past 4 weeks. Okay, and that is not really good for Terra Classic. Right now, the market cap of Terra Classic is trading at $776,898,199. Almost 520 million has been taken out. And when you try to take back in history, when the Terra Classic was trading at over $2.2 billion, you discover this coin have lost a lot. Almost $1.5 billion have been taken out since the past few months. I don't think this is good, but I believe, of course, when you take a look at other crypto coins like BTC, of course, Binance, they also have been losing some money. A lot of coins have been dropping in terms of market cap, including Bitcoin, including Ethereum, including Binance, Cardano, Solana, and other top coins. But I believe, of course, one important thing to understand that this festive period is also affecting crypto industry, because many people actually withdrawing their money in order to celebrate with their family. So I believe next year we will be seeing Terra Classic in higher level. Next year, Terra Classic is definitely going to increase in price, and I believe that this coin can even hit 1 cent, 1 penny, or even 10 cents in 2023, and that depends on the burning of Terra Classic and also the partnership of Terra Classic. If they can really focus on the partnering with top companies and also burning Terra Classic, we are going to see Terra Classic in a higher level in 2023, and I hope to see this coin keep increasing in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.